According to the Social Welfare Department, the number of street sleepers is increasing year by year. On the other hand, based on the research done by City University of Hong Kong, nearly half of the street sleepers have normal health, while a significant percentage of 24.7 are suspected to be drug addicts. The main reason why they are homeless indeed is they have no choice. Unaffordable rent and accommodation coupled with lack of accessible treatment for drug abuse leave them with no home. Are they not skillful and uneducated? The statistic told us that almost half of them obtain secondary education level. Even some have achieved tertiary education. Worse still, the average age of street sleepers are becoming younger.
In the affluent society, what it should be somehow to be what we call a minimum level, and living on the streets, living in coffee houses, living in pig sheds, chicken sheds, is definitely not quite acceptable.
Currently, the Social Welfare Department has a scheme of urban hostel of single persons, which are low-rent short-term accommodations. But one can only apply for social workers' referral. It is necessary that the Social Welfare Department makes the scheme more accessible to those in need. The government should also allocate more funding to NGOs such as Christian Concern for the Homeless Association and the Street Sleepers Shelter. To provide free temporary dormitory places for the homeless also face mental health issues including drug abuse. Therefore, to solve the homelessness issue fundamentally, we suggest the government take reference from the continuum of care model adopted in the US, providing a comprehensive network of outreach, housing, and treatment for drug abuse and mental health services. In this model, firstly, social workers will reach out to the homeless and identify their problems through outreach services. For instance, if a street sleeper is a drug addict, treatment as well as counseling will be offered. At the same time, he will be referred to emergency housing. In the long term, the scheme aims to restore the street sleeper's mental and physical well-being. Moreover, the infrastructure and transport network in new towns such as Tin Shui Wai and Tung Chung should be improved so as to encourage people to live there. This will relieve the pressure on housing in urban areas.